When we implemented OmegaCube, we instituted a 2-day, 48-hour turnaround on inquiries to quotes. And that was really tough actually at first, but we were able to get used to the system enough to be able to do that. Turnaround on customer quoting response is a big deal. The percentage of successfully sold quotes goes up significantly the shorter we can turn the quote around. So we probably went from about a week to about 2 days in our quoting. We don't have a lot of customer turnover. We have like 5 giant customers. What it is, it's our market share with those customers that's increased. So our ability to turn product around faster, to be closer to market, has expanded our market share really with the customers that we have. We've been able to cut down on quality concerns and scrap rates and that kind of thing, which all relate